I never thought of it, but they made it happen. And guess what? A female was part of them. Hi guys, this is 𝑔osway here, the founder and the CEO of Serene Arts. So yesterday, 31st of May 2021 was my birthday, and a couple of fans of this YouTube channel happened to make some designs to celebrate the day together with me. So in this tutorial or in this video, I'm going to display the various designs so that you choose for yourself which of them is the best among the best. Okay, there's one female who also took part in a design, and I will equally display her own as well. Alright, so without wasting much time, let me just start by displaying the various designs together with their name. The names will come first before the designs. But before that, I would like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you who took it upon yourself to wish me a happy birthday on my special day. May God richly bless you all and replenish all that you spend on me. Alright, are you ready to see the designs? Oh yeah, I can't equally wait. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. After watching the video, try and comment below your best graphic designer among them, okay? Because each design comes with the name of the designer. Okay, the name of the designer comes first before the designs are being displayed. Okay, so just comment below the name of your best graphic designer among them. All right, bless up.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always been a type to rush things. You just always been a type that can't wait. You just always been a type that can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want. Like it,